Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jotform notifications for instant workflow updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Jotform notifications for instant workflow updates, start by logging into your Jotform account. Navigate to the form you wish to set up notifications for. Click on the Edit Form button to enter the form builder. On the left side of the screen, locate and click on the Settings tab. Within the Settings menu, find and select Emails. Click on the Add an Email button. Choose the Notification Email option from the list. A new email setup window will appear. In the Email tab, enter a name for your notification email. Scroll down to the Recipients section. Enter the email addresses where you want notifications to be sent. You can add multiple addresses, separating them with commas. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the email subject line and sender name. Make sure to adjust the settings for reply to if needed. You can also set up conditional notifications based on form responses. To do this, click on the Conditions tab in the left menu. Select Add a new condition and choose the appropriate condition type. After setting the conditions, return to the email setup. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button at the bottom. Your notification email is now set up and will trigger based on your specified criteria. To test the setup, fill out the form and submit it. Check the specified email inbox for the notification. Make any adjustments if necessary to refine your settings. And that's how you activate Jotform notifications for instant workflow updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.